You eucalyptus lovers, this is what eucalyptus look like in this part of Canada. It's Eucalyptus nitens, shining gum. There used to be a bigger one there, they cut it down. There used to be a lot of eucalyptus trees in here. There's acacia, melanoxylon, look at this, blooming. Joyce Collier, ceanothus, in bloom. And yeah, acacia, I don't see any flowers on it right now, but this is a shining gum eucalyptus. And then there is a snow gum there, and then there's a beer can, that's garbage. You know, and then somebody just showed me the vandalized Torbay Dazzler, which was absolutely beautiful, the cordyline. Somebody broke it in half, so. Anyway, we're at Grace Point on Salt Spring Island. Enjoying the plants. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. Cheers.